Facility and field service managers may tend to conduct maintenance checks for specific customers. FacilityBot allows automatically sending the checklist PDF to any linked customer once a checklist is completed. Log into FacilityBot web portal to use this feature. Go to Settings, then Features. Turn this toggle to On to automatically send the checklist PDF to linked customers once the status is complete. If a child checklist is linked to a customer, once the status of that checklist is updated to complete based on the email address configured for that customer, an email will be sent to that customer with a link to access the PDF. If the customer is linked to a requester, the checklist PDF will be sent through the messaging channel that the requester used. For example, if a requester communicates with FacilityBot through Telegram and that requester is linked to a customer, then when the child checklist link to that customer is complete, FacilityBot will send a message to the requester through Telegram.